Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to avoid getting sick during the cold season, specifically for those who have diabetes. Getting sick during the cold season can be a nightmare for anyone, but it can be even more challenging for those with diabetes. When you have diabetes, your body's immune system is compromised, making it harder to fight off infections. In this video, we're going to share some tips to help diabetics stay healthy during the cold season. The first tip on our list is to wash your hands frequently. Washing your hands is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Make sure to use soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds before rinsing off. Another tip is to use hand sanitizer when you don't have access to soap and water. Choose a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol to effectively kill germs. The third tip on our list is to eat a healthy and balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help to boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. Another tip is to take vitamins and supplements. Certain vitamins such as vitamin C and zinc have been shown to boost the immune system and help to fight off infections. Make sure to talk to your doctor before taking any new vitamins or supplements. The fifth tip on our list is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help to flush out toxins from your body and keep your immune system healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. The sixth tip on our list is to drink hot liquids. Drinking hot liquids such as tea, chicken soup, or hot water with lemon can help to soothe a sore throat and reduce congestion. So, those are our top tips for diabetics to avoid getting sick during the cold season. By following these tips, you can help to keep your body healthy and prevent infections. But it's not just about what you eat and drink. Regular exercise can also help to boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. Make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Remember, staying healthy during the cold season is all about taking care of your body. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, don't forget to check the description.